Nothing beats the ultimate party appetizer like fresh Caprese salad. My name is Teresa Von Regan, and today we're gonna whip this appetizer up in a simple and easy way. Plus, I'm gonna show you how to make the real star of this recipe, the dressing that pulls it all together. First, let's prep our tomatoes. Tomatoes on the vine work well for this. You wanna cut your tomatoes in about 1/2-inch slices. I usually use about 6 tomatoes to fill my platter. Next, you want to cut your fresh mozzarella cheese in 1/4-inch slices. Note how I put that emphasis on fresh. After I cut my cheese, I pick fresh basil from my herb garden on my porch. Here comes the fun part. We get to go back to our kindergarten days and practice our patterns. What we're gonna do is arrange alternate slices of tomato, mozzarella, then basil on your favorite platter. Again, that's tomato, mozzarella, basil. Once you're finished, it should look something like this. Like I mentioned before, the dressing is the star of this recipe. What we're gonna do is whisk together 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of dried basil. Be sure to give it a nice, fierce whisk. I know you're gonna love this Caprese salad as much as I do. The recipe and the tools used are in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Teresa Von Regan, here to bring you my favorite fast and flavorful recipes. And don't forget, smash that subscribe, hit the bell, and like and comment below with what recipes that you wanna see next. Bye for now, fam!